Hello bachcho, as we have started to discuss the question bank of the chemistry, and in that we have started the topic that is the green chemistry and nanochemistry. So in that already we have completed 1 marks question. So today we are going to discuss 2 marks question from that same topic. So in that first question is define atom economy, write the formula to calculate percentage atom economy. So firstly for the 1 mark we have to write the definition, that is of the atom economy. What is mean by that atom economy? Atom economy is the measure of amount of atoms from starting materials are present in the useful product at the end of the reaction, and this is nothing but the atom economy. Now what is the formula to calculate that atom economy? That formula is for the 1 mark. So that formula is percentage atom economy is equal to formula weight of the desired product into 100, because here we want to calculate the percentage, that's why, divided by sum of formula weight of all the starting materials involved in the reaction, and this is the formula. So in this way, if we are writing that much answer, then we will get the out of 2 marks. Second question is define green chemistry and nanochemistry. Here 1 mark is for the green chemistry definition and 1 mark is for the definition of the nanochemistry. So what is the definition of green chemistry? Green chemistry is the use of chemistry for the prevention of pollution by environmentally conscious designs of chemical products and processes that reduce or eliminate the use or generation of the hazardous substances. Now second definition is nanochemistry. Nanochemistry deals with the designing and synthesis of materials of nanoscale with different size and shape, structure and composition, and their organization into the functional architecture, and that is the definition of the nanochemistry. So here we can get the 2 marks by writing this definition. Third question, write one example of safer solvent and hazardous solvents. Here simple one words we have to write, and for that one word we are getting the 1 mark, and another one word there is a second mark. So what is the answer of the safer solvent? For that safer solvent we have to write the water, means water is used as a safer solvent, and if we consider that hazardous solvent, in that CH2Cl2 means dichloromethane, that is the answer. So here after writing that water as a safer solvent and CH2Cl2 as a hazardous solvent, we will get here 2 mark. Now we are going to discuss the fourth question, and that fourth question is how does nanochemistry play an important role in water purification? तो चलो डिस्कस करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन के लिए क्या और कितना लिखना है. तो यहाँ पे देखो जैसे कि वाटर प्यूरिफिकेशन, सो एज वी नो दैट इन दैट वाटर मीन्स वाटर कंटेन्स नंबर ऑफ वाटर बॉर्न पैथोजेंस लाइक बैक्टीरिया, viruses. Second point we have to write, that is the silver nanoparticles plays an important role in the water purification. How they are playing the important role in that water purification? See, silver nanoparticles act as highly effective bacterial disinfectant, and they remove E. coli bacteria from the water. That is the main point. So what in that water, silver nanoparticles plays an important role in this water purification. Now see last question. Why last? Because after that sixth one is also given, but that sixth question is similar to the first one, like write the percentage of atom economy formula, and that formula already we have written. So here we can say that only 5 questions are there. What is that last question? See, complete and write the following table. See here what they have given. Here they have given हमें ये टेबल कंप्लीट करना है और इसको लिखना भी है. मतलब no, don't write only answer, you have to draw the table in such a way that, and you have to fill that table. So in that, what is that? First column is for the reaction and second column is for the name of catalyst. So simply यहाँ पे first one दिया है manufacturing of HDPE, means high density polyethylene manufacturing के लिए कौन सा वाला catalyst use किया जाता है. तो as we know that name of catalyst is Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Its name is Ziegler-Natta catalyst. So here this is the answer. Now second one, second point is that they have given the catalyst, that is the V2O5, and we have to write the reaction, and that reaction is manufacturing of H2SO4 by contact process, and this is the answer for this second row. So here we have completed 2 marks question from the green chemistry and nano chemistry. तो ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन बैंक कंप्लीट करने के लिए, अच्छे से स्टडी होने के लिए और आंसर जानने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. और एक चीज़, अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहे हो इस चैनल के वीडियोस, तो देखो यहाँ पे आपको प्लेलिस्ट में जाओगे तो टॉपिक वाइज एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन विद सॉल्यूशन भी मिल जाएंगे. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.